Hi, my name is Mark, and welcome to my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. This is one of my cooking videos that I like to do when I'm camping. So what's for lunch, you ask? Well, I'm gonna tell you, it's pizza pockets. Super easy to make, and it is great to get your kids involved so they can sprinkle the cheese, pour the sauce, just get them involved with cooking on a campfire. It is really fun for the entire family. What I have with me is a pie iron. This is a double, so it's gonna make a lot. And I have some tomato sauce, and this is homemade. Some pizza crust that I bought at the store. And I already have prepped some mozzarella cheese that I chopped up, some pepperoni, and some peppers, orange and yellow. You can put whatever you want into your pizza pocket. This is just what I'm going to do. So, the first thing you do is get some oil on your pan. And I have a little paper towel here to spread it around. More oil on my shirt, that's great. Oh well, all right, that's all taken care of. Now for the pizza crust, the dough. If I can get it open, it says press here. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay. This is gonna be a lot more than what I need. Wish I had a second plate. So what I'm gonna wanna do is roll the pizza dough out and get it on the pie iron. Just like that. Rolled out. Now I have my fishing fillet knife so I can cut it. Remember, it's okay if you're a little messy when it comes to this because you're camping. Let's just ball that up and put that right there for now. And I want to cut the edge here. Going a little over, that's okay. Oh, I dropped my knife. Thank God I didn't stab myself. Great. Put the dough there. Let's get my knife back. Let's stretch this out to get it to fit a little better. So this only takes like maybe 3 minutes aside. So what do you want to add first? Let's add my sauce. You don't want to overfill it because it could possibly ooze all over the place. Take my knife I just dropped in the dirt. Aiming my finger. Why not, right? For me to eat. Good stuff. I guess when you're feeding other people, you don't want to lick your fingers. Let's get some cheese on here. This is one of the things that the kids will really like doing. You can get some mozzarella, shredded mozzarella at the grocery store. I just grabbed the stuff that's in my fridge and it was a block. So there you have it. Get the pepperoni on here. Now let's go for the peppers. Like I said, I think sausage would be good. You know, the grocery store has things like, you know, vegetarian style pepperoni, vegetarian meats, sausages, anything that you want. So it latches right here. We're just gonna close it up just like that. And there's a little latch here. And that's it. If you want, you can just sort of trim around. I don't want to fuss around too much. It's going to burn right off. Okay, let's get this on the fire. Okay, here we go. It should be really nice and hot in here. Let's just get in the best we can. Hopefully it won't ooze out the side. And I'm going to let this go for like about 3 minutes and see what happens. Okay, it's already been 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Trying to get it in as flat as I can. but it is what it is. So 3 more minutes. Okay, it's been on there for 3 minutes aside, maybe 4. Let's take it off and see what we've got. Now this is the one thing you should not let your kids help you with, because this pie iron is super hot. It's the moment of truth. Campfire smoke is going right in my face. It's sticking a little, but let's pull it out. That looks amazing so far. Let's see if we can actually get it out of this side. See how this side looks. You can tell where it was closer to the flame. The moment of truth. This looks amazing. I always love to use the word amazing, and I'm gonna tell you a little secret right now. This is the first time I've ever used a iron pan like this. This is the first time I've ever made a pizza pocket as well. But how hard could it be? If I can do it. Pizza dough is totally cooked. Doesn't look doughy at all. It looks like it's hot as heck. That is really good. It beats making hot dogs every day for lunch when you're camping. The kids are absolutely gonna love this. Maybe you could have used a little bit more sauce, but you can always put some sauce on the side and dip it if you want. I might do that. Let's cut into it, into the center. Look at that. Look at how nice and cooked. It's not doughy. The cheese is totally melted. Peppers are cooked. Everything looks amazing about this pizza pocket. Really good. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And you have yourself an amazing time, there's that word again, campfire cooking.